Good afternoon, Grummy. Today is Friday, April the 17th. I'll show you where I've been stealing my dirt. I don't know what the hell them things were there. They were something tropical. The boys done dumped back here or something last year. I think there was fucking banana plants, but they were huge. In this old pile here, this is where I've been stealing my dirt. For all them fucking big ass nursery pots. I still got about 5 or 6 of them left. Let's get on back to the veggies. I'll show you what's done jumped up. It's been what was it, Wednesday. I gave them that fish fertilizer. Whew. A couple plants might find itself on top of this hill. Hiding back here. Fence them up for just a little while until they get big enough to take it down. This will be a new secret hiding spot here maybe. We'll see how it goes. Whatever them tropical plants was, they sure loved it where they was at. To not be able to survive here in Virginia. They were growing like a motherfucker. They were huge. All right, let's go. I forget what the hell that tree is called. It's got some nice pretty blooms on it, that's for sure. Got a pile of mulch right there if I need it. There's about 5 more of these big ass nursery pots I can use if I want. I think they're definitely more than 10 gallons. They don't say what the hell they are though. Flowers are popping. This used to be a damn strawberry tower with a pop-up sprayer. Everything falls to pieces as you get old. But yeah, my little asparagus looks happy. I call these goddamn things asparagus every year. My Brussels sprouts, they look happy. Oh. Cukes, I gave these some water just a little while ago. I don't know what the hell they had sprayed on these damn things. Oh, the cotyledon leaves was white when I got them, but they have definitely started taking off since I think it was Wednesday. I put them in here. They definitely started taking off. They always love this spot right here in this 7-gallon pot. I got my scrog areas all ready. I'm ready for my bitches. Yeah, everybody looks like they're happy. They like that Alaska fish fertilizer. Only thing I watered in here was my clover in the big pots and changed the water on them cuttings. Hopefully we'll get some damn roots. I finally got off my ass. And got the last big boy mater plant transplanted. This is the soil back there where I showed you I was getting it at. All these, these big black nursery pots have got that soil from back there. Looks like they're doing all right, man. They really perked up after I gave them a hit of that fucking Alaska fish fertilizer. They are jamming on. Let's see. And I did get the right damn maters. I was worried about that. I got indeterminates. So they'll be I'll be harvesting them all summer long. Heck yeah. Supposed to be some big chunkers too. 10-ounce fruits. Ooh, doggy. Gonna be a lot of stuffed maters. Stuffed maters for a hot ass lunch. For a hot ass day cold lunch. Sounds like a winner to me. But yeah, man. They perked up. My poor little cassava plant we're getting ready to get to. My mail order cassava plant. I ain't seeing much action off of that. I need to get on the other side. My shadow's getting in the way. Oh. Oh. Galaxy gonna be bitching at me now. I didn't fucking to start the video with my damn tablet sideways. Cats don't seem to be messing with none of these other pots this year that I don't have protected. So we might be alright. Fucking okra shooting on up big time too. Everybody's looking happy. Except for my poor little cassava plant. I hope she makes it. Goddamn, I think I paid $25 for the thing. I ain't paid that much for all my veggies. Let's see. Ooh, doggy. Still got a shit show. I'm working on it though. It's fucking hot as shit. We'll get a cool down though. Start cooling down tomorrow. All next week is gonna be cool. And then after that, we're gonna be thinking about sticking some plants out. We'll see. I don't know if I want to fucking go through all that fucking re-vegging and shit. But I'll probably wind up going through re-veg if I wait till June to put them out. I don't know. Tell me what you think. Stick them the fuck out and deal with it or wait till June. Have a fantastic fucking day. I appreciate you much. I'm out of here. Peace.